What are you doing, Ethan? Are you inspecting Daisy's paws for her? Huh? What are those things? Daisy, can you give your paw back? Ethan was having fun with your paw. Here, put your leg back down for Ethan. Thank you. What you doing, sweetheart? Are you concerned, Daisy? It's okay. Lay it down. Thank you, sweetheart. Thank you. You got her paws, Ethan? Yeah, she's giving you sweet kisses. No, you can't eat her paws. This is a boy who is truly teething. He's trying to eat Daisy's paws now. Ethan, you're such a booger. Are you a booger? Who's a booger? You're eating Daisy's paws. You can't eat her paws. You silly. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye.